Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Motorola Moto G42, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up parental controls on your child's Motorola Moto G42. Okay, firstly you need to open your settings application, then scroll down and click Account, Passwords and Account. Then click Add Account and add child's Google account on the child's phone. But you need to know that if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So I suggest you to create a Google account with the password that only you will know, I forget. Okay, gmail.com and enter child's password. Click Next, agree, scroll down, and okay, cool. As you can see, the child's Google account was successfully added. Okay, now open Google, choose parental controls, get started, child or teen, next. Choose child's Google account, click continue. Now you need to link child's Google account to parent Google account. Okay, enter your parent Google account, click next, enter the password from parent's Google account, click next. Scroll down, confirm child's password, click allow, okay, accounts are successfully linked. Now scroll down, click next, and scroll down, click next. Cool. Now, using your device, parent device, you can supervise child's device. Open Google Family Link on your device, log into your parent Google account, choose child's device, and cool. Now you can block separate applications or block child's device using your phone. For example, I want to block NFS no limit application. To do it, click more, limits, wait a while. Okay, I want to block Call of Duty. Find Call of Duty here. I have a Call of Duty. I have it. Click on the send watch on parent's device. Click or set limit, or click block. Wait a while, and as you can see, Call of Duty was successfully blocked on the child's phone. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.